Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix compatibility error in Microsoft Edge. This issue usually happens when a website extension or outdated browser version is not fully compatible with Edge settings or its rendering engine. First, restart Microsoft Edge and PC. Just completely close your Microsoft Edge. And once that you have done that, just go ahead and restart your PC. And once you have done that, just go ahead and open your Microsoft Edge. Now just go to the three dot at the top right and go to Settings. From here, go to About Microsoft Edge and make sure your Microsoft Edge is updated to the latest version. After that, just clear your browser cache. You can just go ahead and press Control. And make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and file are selected and click on Clear Now. And once that you have done that, just go to the Extensions tab in the Settings and make sure you disable all of the extension. Next, check the default browser compatibility settings. Just go to Settings and just go to Default Browser. And from here, just click on the drop-down for Let Internet Explorer open sites in Microsoft Edge, just like so, and make sure it is set to always, just like so. After that, we should reset the experimental features. Now, in the search bar, just go ahead and type Edge // and hit Enter. And once that you have done that, just go ahead and click on Reset All and click on Restart. And once that you have done that, your Edge will restart automatically. Finally, try opening the website in private mode to check if it loads correctly. You can just go to the three dot and click on New in private window, or you can also press Control, Shift, and N key on a keyboard to open it directly. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Microsoft Edge compatibility error by updating the browser, clearing cache, disabling extension, resetting flag, and checking compatibility settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.